Hey, it's Glenn, 6 1 half dozen the other, where I review things at 6 months, 1 year, and beyond. And here's one, the Amazon Basic Security Safe. And I've got one, and I've had it. Obviously, I have one because you're seeing it. This is my Amazon account, right? So here it is, down here, right? The only thing is that's this little thing here. It's a little plastic piece. It comes off. It came off a long time ago. Another thing I would suggest you do is not forget to replace the batteries like every 3 years, at least every 2 years. I just replace the batteries on this because if you don't, then you can't get in unless you have that key. And if you're like me, you left the key inside the safe. So, is it going to protect everything for you perfectly forever and no robbers are going to come in at night and steal all your stuff? Probably not. Let me tell you what they are now. I paid $56.99 for it back March 29th, 2018, and now it's $65. Oh, so it's gone up. Sorry. Don't know what to tell you on that one. Anyways, it still works. You can, attach it to the floor. You can touch what. I really don't, because this for me is only about fire safety. If I wanted something hardcore to keep my gold bars in, I would show you my other safe. But this one is just for basically my kids' money. So I can tell you, because I just locked it, right? I can tell you, I will say, that the steel on the bottom, right, it's kind of thin. And if I really wanted to get my shears out, I could probably take my shears, my snips, and just cut it open. So it's more for show than anything. Bye. And I just put it down there because I put my feet on it, basically. But, if you want something to throw a couple documents in, and for the price, it's cheap. And that's it. That's all I can tell you. So I think the white one looks cool, and it's it's got this, it just looks different, just white versus black. But they're really not that huge. I mean, I guess maybe you could store a gun in there or something simple. Their pictures here are just basically basic stuff. So it's kind of you see in most hotels, That's all it is. Nothing complicated. Anyways, is it worth it? Yeah. Could you buy something bigger and better? Probably. Should you? Probably, because you're going to find that you fill it up pretty quick. So that's it. Glenn signing out, 6 1 half dozen the other. If you need anything reviewed and you're willing to wait 6 months and for me to use the crap out of it, then I'll do that, and then I'll review it. Unless it's coffee, wine, brandy, vodka, whiskey, bourbon, cognac, what else? Caviar. Those things I review at tasting. And if you are a coffee junkie, or you think you got the greatest coffee in the world, send it to me. I will review it. I used to be one of the world's, the most internationally award-winning American roasted coffee roaster. That's a long story why I'm not doing it anymore. Anyways, that's it. You guys have a good one. Subscribe to my channel and click that little notification button and whatever, It'd be nice if I can get at least 1,000 people, and then I can start making ad money. And by the way, this is fairly decent green tea. It's just cheap old Lipton. I will do a taste test on coffee later. So stay tuned if you really want that. I'll sell it to you. I will let you know. Anyways, have a good one. See ya. Bye.